In less than 24 hours, we will be able to claim our PAWS token. Now, we can claim it to Bybit, BitGet, and most of the central exchanges, and also some decentralized exchanges. Now, in this video, I'm just going to show you guys what you need to know before the claim goes live. And of course, there are some few reasons why I personally think the PAWS airdrop will cook. But anyways, guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Inoko Kedire, and welcome to another cryptocurrency video. Now, I know we've been mining PAWS for a very long time. Some of us, including myself, thought it was going to be like the dog's airdrop, just in and out and airdrop out. But no, it wasn't like that. We mined it for a very, very long time. But finally, claim will be live tomorrow. Finally, we can claim it, and the listing is officially on the 18th. But of course, we can claim it to central exchanges like Bybit, BitGet, Gate.io, MEX, and the rest. And the option to also claim it on your Solana wallet is also live. Now, of course, I believe it will be bullish. I believe PAWS will cook. I don't know why I'm this positive this time of the day. Maybe because it's already tomorrow. There's no harm in being positive. But guys, I think PAWS will cook. And these are a few things I'm going to show you guys right away that made me just believe that PAWS will cook. Anyways, let's get right into it. So of course, as you guys can see, I'm on the PAWS Labs page on X, on Twitter. And the first reason why I think PAWS is going to cook is, of course, if you look at the page, it has not been banned since. I remember then times it was always getting banned. After every 200,000 followers or 1 million followers, they kept on getting banned. But of course, as you can see, so far so good, they have not been banned. But of course, that is just a joke. The most important reason why I'm basically bullish, or I think why PAWS will cook, is first of all, the companies, the project, the partners that it has partnered with are huge projects in the whole cryptocurrency space. For starters, Phantom. Phantom, you don't need to go anyways to the internet anymore to search for PAWS. We can just go straight away, 1 second, go to your wallet, go to your Phantom wallet. Once you come into your Phantom wallet, of course, you get in, and then you go all the way to this search bar, the search button at the end, and you can see trending tokens, people to follow, and trending sites. So you mean PAWS is trending even more than Jupiter. Now, Jupiter is one of the biggest DeFi swaps for tokens, for cryptocurrencies, for memes on decentralized exchanges. Even Pumfon is now third place to PAWS on the Phantom app. Now, that is very huge in my opinion. Solana has 100% endorsed PAWS, and Solana is not a small boy around the block. It's one of the huge cryptocurrency players for memes and for cryptocurrency in general, for swapping, for speed of transaction. It is huge. And also from here, we can just go straight to the PAWS community site. And if you guys look at their page right now, it is now freakishly well developed. It's now a full-blown PAWS site. Everything is there. The Solana OG is also there for eligibility. Unfortunately, I did not swap any peanuts. I do not buy so much meme tokens. I do not see the reason why. I feel it's just a huge gamble. Personally, I do not indulge in it, okay? But then, if you can check your PAWS here, 1 second. I currently have no PAWS to claim because I've not been swapping any meme tokens at all. But then you have the Telegram dashboard, you have the exchange, and we can also check right now the trade vouchers. You guys remember there was the minting of vouchers. It's also here. It's trading currently for 0.09. Let's just say 0.1 Solana. That's around $12 or $13. So 300k in-game points is trading for $12 currently in the pre-market, and we would also go soon to the exchanges that it will be listing on. So for starters, Bybit. Now, Bybit has already made mention that they would be listing PAWS, which is what I'm going to show you guys right away. The PAWS pre-market is still here. Currently in the pre-market is trading for 0.0053, but you do not have to worry about this. This one has no market makers indulge or involved. So this is basically just people dictating the price. And currently the total cap of this is what, 63,000 in 24 hours. The total trading volume is 657. So that is nothing compared to how much market cap we're expecting PAWS to list. There's also something I want to share with you guys. If you guys remember MEMEFI, now MEMEFI had something to say about the PAWS airdrop. It says the community is still foolishly delusional, thinking that PAWS will list for around 800 million market cap. So MEMEFI ended up to say, if we are going to see 150 million market cap on the 18th of March, and come listing day of PAWS, then we should be very lucky. That is 150 million. That is crazy. If PAWS is going to list, 1 second, now just showing you guys, if PAWS is going to list at 150 million market cap, that is not good at all. So for example, let's just write all the 150 million market cap divided by 50 billion. I do not think I can write 50 billion on this phone. That is already 5 billion. 50 billion, nice. So it meant PAWS is going to list for 0.003. Do you guys think that will happen? MEMEFI is actually thinking we should be very grateful to God if PAWS lists at 0.003. So anyways, it's up for the gamble. But the most important thing is get yourself ready for tomorrow's claim, because the first few people that are going to claim on Bybit will get an extra additional PAWS token airdrop to them right there in the Bybit wallet. So make sure you set your alarms, be online, make sure you claim straight away to Bybit if you have a Bybit account, or if you want a share in this extra PAWS token on the Bybit wallet. So guys, I'm going to put the link to download Bybit in the comment sections, or also in the description. That is for those that do not have Bybit. Just go there, sign up, get ready. But of course, you still have the opportunity to claim it into your Phantom wallet. You can also claim it to your BitGet, Git.io, and so on and so forth. So there's enough options for you. You do not have to worry at all. But of course, if you want that extra token, then you have to claim to something like Bybit. If you guys remember in the dogs airdropped over, I think 15,000, or how much was it? I do not remember. Around 15,000 for everyone that claimed their dogs token onto Binance. That was really huge. I got some of that. It boosted my allocation a whole lot. Now, to earn some additional PAWS, you can join the Bybit Launchpool, of course, for the PAWS token before listing, and you have a huge opportunity to earn so much more PAWS while you're just using your unused USDT, or rather your BB Solana or MNT, to earn loads and loads of PAWS. Of course, you guys can see it is here already, and it says the event period is all the way from March 12th all the way to March 17th. Now, during this period, all you can do is stake your BB Sol, MNT, or USDT to obtain a share of 1.2 billion PAWS for free. So how does it work? As you guys can see, in the BB Sol pool, you have 360 million PAWS. In the MNT pool, you have around also the same number of PAWS. And the USDT pool, you have around 480,000 PAWS. So the best thing to do right now is just get loads of USDT. I think, in my opinion, I would like to take the MNT because looking at it, this might be a very less crowded area, so this is the way you guys can earn more PAWS token. Now, to join the Launchpool, all you need is a Bybit account. Once you're fully registered in your Bybit account, you've completed, of course, your KYC, you come all the way to trade. Now on trade, you guys can see Spot X, pre-market. This is where the pre-market is trading, and then all over in Spot X you can see the PAWS Launchpool. Then you just click on join now. As you can see, total price is 1.2 billion PAWS. Event will end in 4 days 12 hours, so there's still enough time for you to join. Get your BB Sol, get your USDT, or get your MNT tokens, and you can use all of those to stake to get a part and a share of 1.2 billion PAWS. I think that is a very huge one to get that much PAWS in this airdrop time. So of course, that is basically everything I wanted to share with you guys in this video. I hope you guys are having a wonderful evening. See you guys in the next one. Peace.